At Intermat, Komatsu is showcasing several electric products available today and in the near future. Komatsu has set itself the goal of reducing by 50% its CO2 emissions by 2030 and achieve carbon neutral by 2050. These electric machines will help customers to these goals together.
90% of the CO2 footprint for construction machines is caused in the product use. So there's no doubt we have to do something about powertrains and how our machines are being used. And electrification is one of the many ways we can take in order to reduce the CO2 footprint in product use.
By presenting the demonstration inside the hall of the exhibition space, we immediately emphasize two major advantages of electrification. There are no emissions from the machine, and it significantly reduces engine noise. Safety on the construction site is immediately enhanced.
This is a new version of our PC33. This time we show it here, first time to public with the cabin version. We show two prototypes, machines which we're going to introduce in the course of next year. The PC20 and in the back of myself, the PC26. Compact machines, very versatile, easy to transport. This is the PC138 battery electric machine, really perfect for the urbanized areas with its short tail and with its battery capacity sufficient for a full day of work. Here we have our PC210 LCE, 24-ton crawler excavator. This is the biggest class worldwide for crawler excavators. The machine has sufficient battery capacity to work for 9 hours a day of work.
These products represent just a glimpse into Komatsu's ongoing efforts to evolutionize the industry together with our customers with sustainable solutions.
Going to carbon neutrality is a job for everybody. Yeah? It's not only the manufacturer, it's also the customer, it's a society which has to do it. Every technology in construction business which is carbon neutral is expensive, no matter which way you go. If you go for hydrogen or if you go for battery electric, it has its upsides and its downsides, but anyway it will cost us all quite some amount of money.
By prioritizing innovation and collaboration, we aim to pave the way towards a cleaner, greener future for generations to come. Join us at Intermat as we embark on this journey together.